One city, one family, one lock. For a whole life, between opening and closing the door, Tenon Smart Lock enables families to start a more convenient and safer smart home life. Tenon, the master brand in China's smart lock industry. To be original with ingenuity. Security is the core value of Tenon Smart Lock. Embrace the respect of life. Safety and reliability are incorporated into the design of every function and detail. Crafting, fine-pointed finish, fastness, aesthetics in every subtle detail. Tenon interprets the aesthetic life of modern smart homes. Build peace of mind with perseverance. Tenon combines modern cutting-edge patented technology and industry-leading research and development talents. Create the best wishes for millions of users to experience smart home life. In the innovative way of smart home, we will never stop taking our own step. The 11,000 square meter smart production base. Repeat failure-free tests by more than 200,000 times continuously. Strictly control 50 methods of quality inspection. Originate from keeping improving the product performance. Strictly control the quality and assume responsibility for safety. $500,000 sets of annual production capacity. Seamless connection between customer needs and manufacturing. International logistics storage platform. In the context of each certificate, millions of users trust and use Tenon Smart Locks with confidence. Simpleness modeling and perspicacious structure. Craftsmanship is shown in every inch. Tenon has built every smart lock to provide millions of users with advanced smart home life experience. 15 million first-hand experience of Tenon's safety and reliability products and services. From 1991 to the present, from China to the world, Tenon has brought safety and reliability to every family. Most people expect more than expected. A few people exceed expectations. Tenon provides insight into the future with innovative technology and continues to surpass. Achieve the smart home life with an extraordinary heart.